Acuutech is a service provider. We are now 23 years old. We have offices in the UK, Singapore, North America, servicing a global client base. Acuutech specialises in delivering turnkey advanced solutions built on Microsoft technology. We give our customers advanced solutions, allowing them to focus on business-first solutions and allowing them to enable and engage with what matters to their organisation. We build services on-prem, hybrid and cloud, and deliver our customers those services in a way enabling them to focus on what matters to their organisation. We have a range of solutions built on Microsoft technology. Our primary solution is built on Microsoft's latest generation Hyper-converged platform. Built on Server 2019, this uses Storage Spaces Direct, software-defined networking, and Hyper-V to deliver turnkey integrated appliances that scale from small SMEs to large enterprises. These solutions deliver scale and performance unparalleled in the industry at a price point significantly lower than competing solutions. The traditional market is driven by three-tier architectures: storage, network, and compute. Using Hyper-converged allows us to reduce operating costs, combining physical hardware of storage, networking, and virtualization inside of a single platform, and using the power of software to manage, administrate, and deliver these capabilities traditionally delivered by hardware appliances. The enterprise market traditionally used large infrastructure-based solutions. The SME traditionally was served very poorly with a combination of small business solutions and systems that did not deliver high availability or fault tolerance. Hyper-converged solutions have enabled both small and large businesses to take advantage of high availability, fault tolerance, failover to the cloud, and the type of distributed data and distributed application delivery traditionally only available to larger organisations. This has been enabled through the cost reduction capabilities delivered by Hyper-converged and delivered by software-defined data center. One of the key advantages of hyper-converged infrastructure, especially hyper-converged infrastructure built on the Microsoft platform, is modular scale and flexibility. One of the powers of hyper-converged is allowing customers to deploy systems that meet their needs today and then expand as the requirements increase in a componentized method, removing the traditional capital expenditure associated with IT infrastructure. Also, one of the advantages of hyper-converged and software-defined is it decouples the relationship between the internal platform and the application, allowing organizations to upgrade their applications and services independently of their core platform. This drives down cost and increases flexibility. The enterprise is pivoting towards HCI as a way of driving down cost. Through the power of HCI platforms, they're gaining flexibility and reducing the capital exposure associated with traditional IT platforms. Many enterprises are seeing that the cost of an entire HCI platform, including the software, is lower than what they were traditionally spending on storage-only based solutions. That's resulting in an 80% cost reduction compared to traditional IT platforms. So, if you look at the traditional storage, network and compute market, that market is worth 55 billion today. That market can easily convert over to an HCI market. If you then look at the addressable market, over 100 billion into the cloud services and the hybrid services market, you have a 155 billion US dollar addressable market, which is open to the HCI marketplace. Microsoft, as in many of the sectors engaged in, have a range of very good competitors. There are services from vSAN, Nutanix, and other vendors owned by individual hardware providers. These vendors have their strengths. These vendors provide a range of capabilities. What is interesting about the Microsoft solution is, firstly, because the solution offers the entire capability inside the box, there is no additional licensing cost. Once you have Windows Server Data Center Edition, you have the entire end-to-end solution. Also, Microsoft is unique with its integrated cloud services in the form of Azure. It is the only organization that can offer that direct connectivity between its on-prem and cloud services. If you then mix that with services like Office 365, delivering the world's leading business productivity and knowledge worker suite, you have platform, hybrid and cloud, delivered as an integrated suite of services from a single vendor platform. There's a significant growth in a number of areas. We see the continued evolution of where knowledge worker activities are moving to services like Office 365, but then we're seeing a lot of organisations migrating things like database services, large data warehousing back to their internal on-prem systems because latency and performance are critical. As they migrate those services internally, they need the power of HCI and software defined to give them the scale, performance and flexibility. It's important to remember that Microsoft's HCI platform redefines the level of performance customers can obtain from their storage network and compute platforms. This is important as they look at cost reduction and overall platform availability.